Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. I was talking with a viewer and we were singing the praises of Angel Food Cake. Those wonderful, totally light and fluffy and sweet treats that we both grew up with. And she was telling me when she was a little kid, she used to take the cake box mix and with a spoon just eat the powder right out of the box. That's how much she loved it. Then when she got a little older, she was saying she would, when no one was home, she'd bake an Angel Food Cake, and then she would just, not frost it or anything, but she would just grab a hunk of it and squish it into a tight ball. And she just loved these condensed versions of Angel Food Cake. Now that I have done. And so that's my inspiration for Chow Time today. Well, I cheated, and I just bought an Angel Food Cake at the store just to save a step. I mean, an Angel Food Cake is an Angel Food Cake. And then what I'm going to do is just break it into chunks, put it in the food processor, and then pulse it so it's little fine pieces. Hey, stop that. All right, now in this large bowl, I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese that I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar to and mash that together because it's so lightweight that when you squish them into a ball, sometimes they'll sort of start to puff out again. So this will give it a little bit of weight. Oh, I'm also going to add a dash of salt. All right. Now I pour in my cake. Then you just dive in with your hands and you mix it all up with that cream cheese. And you'll know when this consistency is right for rolling balls. See, these will make beautiful little balls. And if you want, if you are an adult, feel free to put a nice healthy splash of coconut rum in there. But we're going to squish it like you did when you were a kid and roll it into small balls. And I'm placing them on a rack on top of a cookie sheet because it'll make putting white chocolate on top of them later a whole lot easier. Now I've melted a cup of white chocolate chips in a double boiler, and I want to drizzle in a little bit of vegetable oil, not much. I just want to thin it a little bit so it's very easy to pour over those Angel Food Cake balls. Oh, yeah, see, that'll do it perfectly. You can dip each individual ball if you want, but I'm taking the lazy route, and I'm just going to pour it over like this. And notice the balls are very close together, so I don't waste too much of that beautiful white chocolate. Okay, then after I do a couple of rows, before it starts firming up, I sprinkle coconut over the top. This is just unsweetened flaked coconut. The cake is sweet enough where You don't need to use sweetened coconut. Aren't these pretty little cookies? Okay, now I'm just going to stick them in the refrigerator so that chocolate can harden, because I'm very anxious to try one of these. It's also funny to think about angel food cake. It's fat-free. That is, until you add all the other stuff to it. But oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So good. And the best part about this is I don't have to hide in the closet like when I was a little kid and eat scrunched up angel food cake. I'm a big girl now, and I'm going to do it out in the open right in front of you.